Matud pa sa mga Bisaya, bahalag saging, basta labing.
Eddie wow.
Hi guys, it's me again, Shamay, and welcome to my cooking channel.
If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you as one of my viewers.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Click all for you to get notified every time I have new upload. So without further ado, let's start cooking.
For our choco batter, in a bowl, just combine 1/2 cup rice flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/8 cup sugar, 2 sachet instant choco powder, any brand will do. And to balance up the taste, just add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, 3/4 cup of full cream milk or evaporated milk. And then mix all the ingredients until well combined. Remember to sift the batter to remove lumps and then chill it for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to achieve our desired consistency. For this recipe, you need 5 to 10 pieces of ripe Saba or kardava banana. Simply peel and slice it into half. This is the consistency of our batter after I chill it for 1 hour. Simply coat our sliced bananas with choco batter and then coat it with breadcrumbs. For single coating, this batter can use up to 20 slices of bananas. But if you opt to double coating, it will be enough only for 10 slices. Double coating is optional, but it can give an extra crunch to the outcome. After coating the bananas, chill it for a few minutes before frying. You can also freeze it for later use. For the coating, after we fry our banana crunch, just mix 1/8 cup of white sugar and 1 sachet of choco powder. This is optional, so you can skip it if you don't like. Before frying, just make sure that your oil is hot enough. Fry it over medium-low heat first until slightly brown and then remove it from heat. Fry it again over high heat until fully cooked.
If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. It's always my pleasure to hear from you. Please check the description box for the exact list of ingredients. Thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you again on my next cooking vlog. Keep safe and God bless everyone. Happy cooking!